Welcome to 2TierTravel. I wanted to take the opportunity just to do a brief introductory video to show you how to navigate your 2TierTravel travel portal. So you can see here I've logged in, and you can see our travel engine is made up of flights, so we can look at flights to and from anywhere in the world, hotels, car hire, activities. So if I'm in somewhere like New York or London, I can look to see if there are activities I'd like to do. I can book them through here. Cruises and vacation rentals, which are 1 week stays in apart hotels all around the world. So very easy to navigate, very easy to select. So if I take New York, for example, sorry if I could type, and I click on New York, click on when I want to travel. I want to go to September and I want to go for 4 nights. And once I click here, we begin to search through aggregated hotel providers, those hotels that are currently offering the largest discounts into the industry that the public don't generally see. So you can see here, New York, Conrad Midtown, 4 nights to stay there, £862. If I went and used a comparable booking engine, and I go to use similar dates, 5th to the 9th of September, you'll see that I would be paying £2,000 to stay in the Conrad Midtown, and I can stay for £862. That's, you can see the date at which this video was made. So you can see the whole idea is to make our travel engine or travel portal very easy to get around. For your membership benefits, you can see your travel assistant. You can access the specialist visa. This is where you go, and if you fill out this form, you can apply for your Priority Lounge Pass membership and just submit it through the portal, and it will be out to you physically in about 4 to 6 weeks. Digitally, it should be out within about 7 to 10 days. So a very quick service to have. And then you can also see, if I go back, a price guarantee. Again, a very simple form that you fill out to make a claim if you happened and rarely to overpay for a hotel or a flight through ourselves. We'll refund 110% of the difference. And then access to our MediJet service if you become ill or injured. So I hope this is a very straightforward presentation that explains just how easy it is for our members to be able to book through our portal. Thank you.